Hi everyone, it's Mia here again on the ZiloTrade channel. Today marks the beginning of a new trading week and I wanna trade live with you once again. Let's open a couple of trades and share some useful information about my account. I decided to start from scratch, deposit $5,000 and my first goal for this account is $50,000. I plan to make it 10 times the initial amount. And I hope you guys will join me on this journey. Right now the price is slightly different because we've already had the trade in morning and my buddies and I made some profits. And you can find all this information on my Telegram channel. But for now, let's not waste any time and dive straight into trading. Alright, let's move on to the pairs. And I can see some good percentages on just two of my favorites. Let's pick something from them. And what we can see, we have some setups for this pair, and let's find them on TradingView. I see a beautiful movement. We have an impulsive downward movement and the price has reached a resistance area. And I believe we'll see a downward reaction from here. So it will be a good idea to open a trade with the current indicators for a downward direction. As you saw, I set a 3-minute trend and $3,000 as a stake. And while our trade is in progress, let's talk about what binary options are. It's a financial instrument that works on the principle of all or nothing. We need to predict the price movement. Either you increase your income from the placed amount or you lose it completely. It's a no compromise kind of thing. You can start with $1 or $10 in binary options. They provide us with a platform where we predict the price movement and get solid reward up to 60%. For a successful forecast or lose the entire stake. All this money is handled within the broker system, where successful traders earn from the losers. At the same time, sometimes marking fantastic amounts. By the way, while the losers cry into their pillars, we traders earn real money. Essentially, it's just financial betting on price levels. To avoid losing money, I recommend learning with us, analyzing the market and waiting for signals from me. By the way, in our Telegram channel, ZiloTrade, we had 10 profitable trades just for today. So it's been a pretty productive day. Everyone who was with us and responded to the signals saw the results. If you want to join in and experience the same, hit me up in the DMs. The link to the channel, as always, in the comments. So guys, when newcomers ask me how we work in binary options, well, guys, it's something like this. You need to choose an asset like a currency pair, and predict where the price will go and where it will be after a certain period of time. Will it go up? Press the higher. Will it go down? Press the lower button. The ability to forecast prices is actually studied through something called technical analysis. In the market, there are two types of traders, bulls and bears. They are constantly betting each other. Bulls buy with the expectation of prices going up. Imagine them constantly pressing the up button. Bears sell with the expectation of prices going down. These folks love the down button. Depending on who wins the battle, the bulls or the bears, the price of our asset changes. So guys, our trade is almost over and I see, congrats on making a profit. And I suggest opening another trade on the same pair. We haven't strayed far from the resistance area and I believe we'll we will head towards the upper boundaries, once again before potentially going down for a correction. So based on the current indicators, I think it's a good idea to open another short position. Let's move back to the pocket option. I will choose the same time frame and press the low button. And while we wait for our trade to finish, let's talk about the most popular questions. The second one is time. What is the best time for trading? One important aspect that beginners should know about trading binaries is the trading time. For sure, options trading, currency pairs, and the like are available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. However, not every minute is worth entering a trade. The currency market is most active when different exchange sessions overlap. It's during this period that pairs demonstrate active movement. When multiple markets are active and prices show clear trends. But on the other hand, during quiet hours, a flat market is often countered. This is what we call a consolidation period. Research shows that the most active trading hours occur during the European session. That's why we trade in the morning and evening based on London time. There are days when the price is more favorable for trading. For example, Wednesday. Wednesday is for sure the best time. Friday also performs well, especially when European trading hours overlap what? American ones. And Monday. Monday can also provide good trading opportunities. Another, my top of 3 the most frequently asked questions, and money. How much money do I need? Many say that they want to start with $5 or $10, and okay, that's good. It's test amount. Dreaming is a good idea, but I wouldn't recommend this. That would mean a return of 10,000%. In the world, there are no traders who can demonstrate such returns. Yes, I know guys who turned $50 into a couple of million in just a few days, but that's gambling. Completely lack. Completely luck, but completely lack of money management and full speed ahead. If luck is on their side, the market will favor them. The problem here is the same as faced by all casino players. Luck cannot be programmed. You cannot tame luck. It's extremely difficult to replicate. That's why those millions are usually gone in the following weeks or months. Would you like this outcome? Probably not. Oh, guys, oops. I got carried away and our trade just ended up in profit. We wrapped things up pretty quickly today, so I suggest opening another trade, but on a different pair. And let's switch to trading view. Let's find our pair. What we see, we can see the price that has reached a resistance line. Let's mark it on the chart. We marked it, and we also see that after touching the resistance line, the price moved upwards and formed a zigzag. Let's draw another resistance line together, and let's plot all 3 zigzag points on the chart. Usually the price will touch the lower and upper boundaries several times before leaving this range. That's why I'm opening a trade on the upside, but on a smaller time frame. And while our trade is in progress, let's continue the topic of the frequently questions and optimal deposit. Please write in the comments what amount you started trading with, what amount you consider optimal, and what amount you find risky. As for me, I will always stick to the opinion that the optimal deposit is $100. This amount allows you to trade. This amount allows you to trade without getting wiped out in 5 minutes, and this amount gives you a chance for a good start. Of course, if you have the opportunity and resources, you can enter the game with more impressive sum. But the main thing here is not to rush and not to push yourself, because the market can be very exciting and dangerous and risky. For example, just recently I talked to a guy who lost about $1 million in 6 months. He's my close friend and he has been trading for quite a while. However, even experienced traders can fall victim to the thrill, and we had to discuss the psychological aspects all over again. It's actually quite strange for me because I'm usually a reserved person and I have never found myself in such situations. Of course, it all depends on one's personality, and I won't stop sending each of you messages not to rush, analyze, wait for the signal, evaluate the market. By the way, what do you think about this topic for the next video? Trading and psychology. Oh, alright guys, our trade is coming to an end and I can already see that it will close in profit. Well, congrats to us. It's been a great day with 3 of 3 successful trades. I consider it a good job, and I want to remind you that every day in our Telegram channel I provide positive signals in the morning and evening, along with even more valuable information in our VIP channel. To receive more useful info, more positive trades, and deeper understanding of what the market, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today. Sending hugs. Bye bye. Yours, Mia.